Hi guys, today's video is going to be a little different. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, Salesforce announced that they're going to provide free AI training, dedicated office space, and free certifications to help anyone succeed in the AI world. It's a $50 million investment in training people for the jobs of tomorrow. From September 23rd to the 31st of December 2025, they're going to offer free hands-on AI courses and certifications. Pop-up AI Center will be opened at their headquarters with plans to roll out AI training spaces in their offices around the world for communities and employees. And I think Salesforce has done this as they've realized there's been executive urgency to incorporate AI tools into business operations, and that's increased 7 times over the past 6 months, and it's now a top concern above inflation or the broader economy. But the same research shows that more than 2/3 of workers have yet to use the technology at work, and only 15% of workers strongly agree that they have the education and training necessary to use AI effectively. So through this initiative, Salesforce hopes to reach 100,000 more learners through the new offerings. And on top of the instructor-led in-person and virtual sessions, as well as the free certs, what they're going to do is they're also going to create spaces to reskill workers with hands-on AI training. They'll be unveiling a new pop-up AI center at the headquarters in San Francisco in 2025, and they have plans to roll out additional training centers in key hubs around the world like Chicago, Tokyo, and Sydney. These physical spaces will host in-person courses offered through Trailhead and bring together industry experts, partners, and customers to advance AI innovation. There's considerable efforts in upskilling their 72,000 person workforce using their global quarterly AI learning days. Now, I think for anyone who's really not prepared to pay for a cert, this is a great opportunity to firstly increase your knowledge in the AI offerings that Salesforce has to offer and develop your technical skills through premium instructor-led training and resume-worthy certifications. What you would have paid $75 for a Salesforce certified AI associate, you now get for free. A retake will be $50. That's going to change. Then your Salesforce certified AI specialist, you'll now have for free, and the retake price will remain the same. So let's get into some of the FAQs some of you may have off the back of that. What virtual hands-on workshops will be offered for free through to December 31st, 2025. There'll be workshops on how to build your own first agent, how to run your Salesforce organization using Agentforce sales agents, how to run your service organization using Agentforce service agents, getting started with Copilot, getting started with Prompt Builder. Terms and conditions for the free virtual hands-on workshops, they'll run from November 1st, 2024 through to the 31st of December 2025. You'll be limited to 1 per eligible adult and excludes government personnel. What instructor-led courses are free through December 31st, 2025? In late 2024, Trailhead will introduce a new 3-day instructor-led course that teaches attendees how to use out-of-the-box Salesforce AI products, including Agentforce. The instructor-led courses are not virtual. The locations for the AI centers will be San Francisco and London, with additional locations opening in the AMER and APAC regions, which I mentioned earlier. Instructor-led courses will be offered once in San Fran and once in London each quarter. Again, instructor-led courses will be limited from the 1st of November 2024 through to the 31st of December 2025, limited to 1 adult. Moving on to the certification FAQs. Which AI certifications are free? It will be specifically the AI Associate certification and the AI Specialist, and those will be offered free of charge from September 23rd, 2024 through to 31st of December 2025. If you've registered for the Salesforce Certified AI Associate or Specialist on or after the 23rd of September, you'll receive a refund via the payment method you used. If a voucher was used, typical voucher policies apply. I mentioned the change in price of retakes. I'll provide the links in the description of the video. How'd you go about preparing for these certifications? Well, there are trail mixes for both the AI Associate as well as the AI Specialist certifications. At the end of each of those trail mixes, you'll have a Cert Prep module available. And these Cert Prep modules have quiz questions and interactive flashcards that prepare you for the certification. Again, those instructor-led courses that they'll be offering free of charge late 2024 will align to the AI Specialist certification exam and will teach you how to use out-of-the-box Salesforce AI products, including Agentforce. Another handy tool to prepare yourself for these certifications is obviously Focus on Force. I see they offer the AI Associate Certification Study Guide and Practice Exams. Obviously, this will cost you $24 each, but I found that they are great resources for preparing for these certifications. Scheduling of the exams work exactly the same through Web Assessor. I'll provide links for those of you who haven't registered for an exam before. Terms and conditions of the certs, they are offered from the September 23rd to December 31st. Limited to one exam attempt per adult. Excludes government personnel and subject to eligibility and availability. Participants must register for and take their selected certification exam before the offer expires. It's not transferable, not redeemable for cash, no rain checks, no refunds. Will be provided for exam fees paid prior to the offer. I'll be providing a link on how to schedule your Salesforce certification exam if you never have. This process remains the same as it was before. So guys, I think this is a really great opportunity for all of you to skill yourself up on AI and take advantage of this investment which Salesforce has made to skill up our communities and their employees on the AI tools available. Please like the video if you enjoyed the content and subscribe to my channel for future updates.